Trent Middle School is exceptional because our staff has a commitment to doing the very best that they can for our students and helping them to grow for success beyond the pack. We strive to meet the needs of our students, and however they learn and however we can assess their knowledge is what we are going to do. New students to our campus can expect a positive, collaborative environment where we focus on growing students within our PAC values of purpose, attitude, commitment, and kindness. We encourage students to find their fit at Trent by getting involved with something, whether it's athletics, extracurricular, fine arts, or clubs. We want all of our students involved.
What I like about being a student at Trent Middle School is that everyone here is just so caring, and everyone is just always there for you if you ever need a pick-me-up or anything.
Teachers are very smart and funny, and I love how they show you PAC values. They freely express math, science, and I love Academy Connect because they show you different pathways you can take in high school.
We support student success and growth by taking an individualized approach to every student. Our teachers are really good at figuring out where students are and helping them get to where they need to be. We truly believe that if our students are putting in the effort, they will get the results that they desire.